Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Did you know that your LLC setup and your business credit could be the difference between losing money and saving up to $250,000? That's $250,000 in your pocket, just by applying a few smart strategies. Intrigued? Stick around because I'm breaking it all down in this video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, let me tell you I help entrepreneurs and business owners like you keep more of your hard-earned money by demystifying finances, taxes, and credit strategies. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bazy. Bazy is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bazy is also given in the description box down below. Here's the harsh truth: many business owners are throwing away money without realizing it. Problem number 1, most LLC owners don't optimize their tax setup. They either pay double taxation or overpay in self-employment taxes because they default to the wrong classification. Problem number 2, business credit is often misunderstood. Many entrepreneurs think it's tied to their personal credit or that it's only useful for large corporations. But the reality? Weak business credit can lead to higher interest rates, lower loan amounts, and even denied applications. These two oversights combined can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. But the good news? You're about to learn how to fix both. Today, we're tackling 2 game changers. 1. How to save $250,000 by tweaking your LLC setup. 2. How boosting your business credit can save you just as much over time. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to maximize your profits and minimize your expenses. Let's dive in. Here's the reality: many business owners leave thousands, or even hundreds of thousands, on the table because of 2 major mistakes. 1. Setting up their LLC without understanding the tax implications. 2. Overlooking the power of a strong business credit score. These oversights lead to higher taxes, higher loan interest rates, and missed growth opportunities. But the good news? These are problems we can solve, starting today. Let's start with your LLC. The way you structure your LLC and choose its tax classification can save you tens of thousands annually. Here's how. When you set up your LLC, you're not locked into one tax type. Most LLCs default to being taxed as a sole proprietorship or partnership, but you can file to be taxed as an Escorp. Why is this important? Escorp election is a game changer. It allows you to split your income into 1. A reasonable salary for yourself, subject to payroll taxes. 2. Distributions, which avoid payroll taxes entirely. This simple split can save you thousands in self-employment taxes each year. For example, if you earn $200,000 annually, you could save around $20,000 in taxes just by choosing the right setup. Over 10 years? That's $200,000 or more with compounding savings. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bazy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bazy provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bazy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bazy is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bazy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bazy dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bazy will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Now, let's talk about business credit. A strong business credit profile means lower interest rates, higher credit limits, and better financing terms. Over time, this can save you another $250,000 or more. Here's how to boost your business credit. Step 1. Establish trade lines. Find vendors who report to business credit bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. For example, if you order office supplies regularly, work with a vendor like Uline or Granger. Pay your invoices early, and your credit score will grow. Step 2. Separate business from personal finances. You need a business checking account, a business credit card, and an EIN, employer identification number. Not only does this make your business look professional, but it also protects your personal credit. Step 3. Build a strong payment history. Paying bills on time is critical. Did you know that paying even 5 days early can boost your credit profile significantly? Step 4. Keep credit utilization low. Here's the rule: keep your usage below 30% of your total credit limit. For example, if you have a $50,000 limit, don't use more than $15,000. This shows lenders that you're responsible, making them more likely to approve higher limits and better rates. And here's the kicker: credit utilization. Keeping your utilization below 30% is a surefire way to boost your score. If you have a $50,000 limit, try to use no more than $15,000. This tells lenders you're financially responsible and opens the door to better terms. Let's look at Mike, a small business owner who runs a logistics company. He started with a weak business credit score and was paying 18% interest on a $50,000 loan. After improving his credit, he refinanced at 6%, saving $6,000 a year in interest. Over 5 years? That's $30,000 saved just by fixing his credit. The magic happens when you combine these strategies. A well-structured LLC saves you money on taxes, while strong business credit saves you money on financing. Together, these approaches amplify your savings, giving you more cash flow to reinvest in your business and achieve your goals faster. So, to recap. Structure your LLC smartly and elect to be taxed as an Escorp. Establish trade lines and build your business credit. Separate your business and personal finances. Pay bills on time and keep your credit utilization low. By following these steps, you can unlock savings of up to $250,000 or more while building a stronger financial foundation for your business. If you've implemented these strategies or have questions about getting started, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more actionable financial tips. While you're here, check out the other videos to learn even more ways to optimize your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.